Today we're starting a new patio extension. This area used to be grass, but we're converting it into a paver patio with decomposed granite. The goal is to create a space that's more functional, easier to maintain, and better suited for everyday use. One of the biggest benefits of switching from grass to hardscape is water savings. Grass requires frequent watering, especially in small areas where it can be difficult to keep it healthy. Over time, that can increase your water bill while still not giving you the results you want. With pavers and decomposed granite, maintenance is much simpler. There's no mowing, no constant upkeep, and the area stays looking clean and well organized. Another big advantage is usability. When grass gets wet, it turns muddy and hard to use. But with hardscape, the space stays accessible even after rain. Overall, this patio extension will create a durable, low-maintenance outdoor area that can be enjoyed all year round.